Hi, welcome to the channel, welcome to another video. If this is the first time you've tuned in to this channel, welcome. We talk about various different stuff and journeys on this channel, and to basically help men advance as well. So today we're going to be cooking a quick little meal, and we're going to get into that right away. If you haven't already, do subscribe and do press the like, the thumbs up button, and also click the notification bell to get notified when more videos come your way. We're going to be cooking some ingredients that we got from the store, just a few ingredients to make a quick snack, and the snack's going to consist of, this video is going to consist of cooking a meal with tuna, a packet of Bulgar, not vulgar, Bulgar, and tuna, also rice. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so here we have our seasoning. This is our seasoning: chopped up scallion and peppers, frozen, but we're gonna lightly fry it. We've got our Bulgar here, and we got our tuna, 2 cans of tuna here, and we got our rice here. Okay, let's get into it. Gonna add our salt. Gonna let that heat up. Gonna add our oil to the pot. Let that heat up. This is the pack of Bulgar, and this takes 30 minutes to cook. You combine this Bulgar with the rice. Combine these two and cook for 30 minutes. Fry up the seasoning and combine it with the tuna. Lovely jubbly. Right, we're going to cook 2 cups of rice. Then we're going to wash the rice in the pot, and then we're going to set it to cook. So 2 cups of rice. And this is Carib pearl rice, long grain rice, parboiled. And this is how our rice is looking. Right, we're just gonna wash this off now. Right, our oil is very hot right now, so we're going to add some seasoning. The water's boiling, so we're going to add the rice after we wash it. Going to add this much seasoning. Going to come over here and wash off the rice. So just wash the rice until the rice water looks clear. About three or four times. Wash off the rice. And add the tuna in with the seasoning. Hot pepper sauce. Just a little bit. It's very hot. Give it a stir once more. So this is the tuna and the seasoning mixed together. Scallion, peppers, hot pepper sauce, tuna, and in here we have the rice, and we're just going to add some Bulgar to that right now. Here's the Bulgar. Just going to add that to the rice. Give it a stir, mix it all together and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. Allow that to cook for 30 minutes and that'll be ready. This will take about half an hour to cook, so we'll be back in about half an hour's time. We'll cut the video short so that we just catch up with the taste testing and the dishing up. Oh, I nearly forgot that the tuna doesn't take long to cook. Only takes about 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes, so we'll turn off the fire from now. That's off. And we're just waiting for the rice and Bulgar to cook. Right, now we're going to add a little bit of butter to the rice. Just half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoonful. Alright, time's up. Time to dish up now. I had to cook it a little bit longer and add some water as well, just to get to make sure it actually cooked properly. Tuna rice and Bulgar. Simply delicious. Let's go. Thank you for enjoying the video. Thank you for staying to the end. Do remember subscribe, click the like button and hit the notification bell.